Lovelies, you're welcome back. Like I promised that I was going to show you Alberta's job portals where you can see a lot of job opportunities specifically in Alberta. So I'm going to show you two of these websites owned by the government of Alberta where employers in all communities in Alberta post their job openings. So here is the first website we'll be exploring. You can see that we have about 26,159 job listings. So these jobs are available in Alberta alone across the communities in Alberta. So you can see that we have new jobs that were just posted about 4 hours ago. So you can narrow down your search using this filter on the left side of the page, using the date posted. If you want the most recent, experience required, so you can narrow down your search here just to suit your special need. We have a lot of positions here: administrative assistant, receptionist, nail care technician. You can just type in your profession there and click on search. So we are searching for cook. So you can see that this was posted 2 days ago. Cook is needed in this community, so you can see it. So how do you apply? If you are a cook, the salary is stated, the number of hours you're going to work, everything is stated here. So you just click on expand, and let's look at for what they need for this job position. Sales and service occupation. Education requirements: they need high school graduation, that's your high school diploma. So experience required: if you have an experience, it's not compulsory, but it's going to be an asset. Position: permanent and full-time. Then work language is English. Then you also work during the day and weekends. So these are the duties you're going to perform. How do you apply? Down here you will see show how to apply. You click on it, and this is how you're going to apply. You're going to send an email to this email address. So anyone who can legally work in Canada can apply for this job. If you are not currently authorized to work in Canada, the employer will not consider your job application. So this is going to assist you to look for employers that are willing to hire from outside Canada. In other platforms like Indeed, you might not get this express narration from the employer. But on this particular website, the employer is going to state it verbatim if he wants to employ you from outside Canada or not. So you are going to do your own due diligence. We have a lot of job openings here. So you're going to check out on each of the job that matches your experience and your qualification, and check if the employer is willing to sponsor you to Canada, so you won't waste your time. Some people had reached out to me and told me I've applied 150 times and all of that. You might just be applying to the wrong set of employers that are not willing to take you. So that's why I'm bringing this platform to you, so that you would be sure that you are applying correctly to the right set of people that can bring you to Canada. So take your time, check through the application, and see if that particular employer is ready to bring you into Canada. So when you discover those kind of employer, start sending them your CV and your cover letter. Don't send just your resume, send your cover letter with it. It will speak better of you, that you are proactive and you know what you are doing. And make sure it is in the right Canadian format. And if you don't know how to go about it, I have a video on my channel where I did a tutorial on how you can build your own Canadian format resume. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to share the link in the video description or in the comment section. So check, and you'll be able to create your Canadian format resume free of charge on the Job Bank, and you're going to be able to download it freely so that you can start sending it out. So I could also attach a Canadian format cover letter so that it could guide you to create your own. Just make this website your friend and keep checking until you find that employer that is willing to bring you to Canada. You only need one. You don't even need two. Just one is okay for you. So just keep checking until you are able to get that one employer for you. So with that being said, let's go to the next website I'm going to show you, still on Alberta. So this is another job website of the government of Alberta, where employers in the province of Alberta post their job openings. On this website, we have a lot of job opportunities posted. You can search for your profession. You can also search for the specific community in Alberta. So you can see the various communities in Alberta posting jobs. You can see that this was posted today. About 3 of these openings were posted today, some yesterday. You can see Edmonton, Peace River, and all of that. So you can try to search for your job position. Let's look out for nurse this time. So you can use the filter just to narrow down your search. So you can see a lot of openings. Let's see nurse consultant. This was posted on the 9th of August. They need a nurse consultant in Edmonton. These are the job roles. So you can just go through. These are the qualification that is required. A bachelor in nursing, a bachelor degree in nursing, plus minimum of 4 years of progressively responsible experience, communicable disease, public health, research, policy development, and or analysis is required. So this particular one, they are not specific about whether you are in or outside Canada. They say, we thank all applicants for their interest. All applications will be reviewed to determine which candidate qualifications most closely match the advertised requirement. Only individuals selected for interview will be contacted. If you require any further information on this job posting or require an accommodation during the recruitment process, please contact this person. I don't know how to call the name, so you can just pick her email, send her an email, and let them know that you want to apply to this job from outside Canada. Can you go ahead? It does not cost you anything, so just try as much as possible to do your own part, and before you know it, you will be able to land yourself a visa sponsorship job that will just change the story for you. I just want to keep encouraging you. Don't stop. Don't get tired. Just keep sending your CV. Keep getting in touch with them. Make inquiries. Can I apply? It does not cost much. So just continue to apply. I'm going to drop the link to these 2 websites in the description of this video. And I wish you success in your applications. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video.